Good morning. Welcome to our channel English Buddy. Today we are going to learn the next part of the lesson. Attitude is altitude from page 4th middle onwards. Now let's read the lesson. It was so hard for them, but right from the start they did their best to make me independent. In this line, what does it refer to? It refers to Nick's disability. What might be so hard? Nick's disability was so hard for them. Them means here for Nick's parents. Yes. But right from the start, it means from his childhood onwards, Nick's parents, did best to make him me means here Nick, to make him independent. They wanted Nick's parents wanted not to depend for anything on anyone. My dad put me in the water at 18 months and gave the courage to learn how to swim. My dad means here whose dad? Nick's dad. Once Nick's dad put him in the water when he was 18 months, he put his son in the water to make him swimming, to learn him swimming, to make him courage. I also got really into football and skateboarding. I totally love the English Premier League. Nick Vujicic learned playing football and skateboarding. He loves English Premier League, EPL. Next, Nick's father was a computer programmer and accountant, and he taught his little son how to type with his toe at just 6 years old. His mom invented a special plastic device that meant he could hold a pen and pencil. Nick uses his father. He was a computer programmer and accountant. He taught his son how to write, how to type with his toe when he was just 6 years old. He taught him, and his mother invented a special plastic device to hold pen and pencil to write with them. Despite means in spite of, although, though, these meanings. Despite the risk of being bullied, his parents insisted Nick on attending mainstream school. It was the best decision they could have made for me, adds Nick, who later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. It was very hard, but it gave me independence. Here, despite means in spite of. Nick's parents knew that there would be, in mainstream school, there would be harassment or teasing of the other children and disabled children, like mentally or physically disabled children. They knew that, even though they wanted to send their son to mainstream school, because Nick's parents thought if he studies in that general school, he would feel well and mingle with other children and forgets his disability and learns as well as other children. So Nick's parents insisted him, forced him to go to general school. Mainstream school means general school in where disabled children study their subjects during the special periods. Here Nick was telling the decision which was taken by their parents, it was best decision for him to make him independent in his life. Next, Nick Vujicic obtained a degree in financial planning real estate, and Nick was telling it was very hard but it gave me independence. What do you think? What about he was saying it was very hard? What maybe? What was very hard? It means studying in that main school, a disabled child studying in that mainstream school was hard. Hard for the disabled children. But that gave him independence. Next, Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. Nick Vujicic was teased by the other children where he studied in the mainstream school. He had an electric wheelchair like a tricycle, etc. To go from one place to another place, he had an wheelchair. He had a wheelchair and he had some carers. A team of carers helped him. Suppose when he wanted to go to somewhere, then those carers helped him, like moving the cycle, moving the wheelchair. Next, I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old. He said, I went to my mom crying and told her I wanted to kill myself. What does I mean here? What does I refer to here? I refers to Nick Vujicic. One day, Nick was depressed when he was 8 years. He went to his mother and told her to kill himself because he could not bear the harassment of other children in school. Next, I felt cold and bitter. I hated God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would happen when my parents were not there to look after me. Here, I is the same. Nick Vujicic. He felt cold and bitter. Bitter experience. Worst experience. Once Nicky Vujicic hated God, why he had given that kind of birth to him, and if he felt that his parents were not there, what would happen to him? Then who would look after him? Look after means, look after is a phrasal verb. Look after means take care. Next, I could brush my own teeth with a wall mounted brush and wash my own hair with pump action soap, but there was so much that was impossible for me. Nick was telling here he could brush his own with the help of the wall mounted brush. Wall mounted means brush was fixed to the wall. He could bath with pump action soap. It was he was telling it was impossible for me because because there would not be grip as well as with the hands. Next, at age 10, Nick tried to drown himself in the bath, but luckily the attempt was unsuccessful. I felt there was no purpose when you lack purpose and strength. It is hard to hold on, he said, but with the help of his religion, friends, and family, Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. When Nick was 10 years old, he wanted to commit suicide in the bathtub, but fortunately his attempt was failed. Actually, there was no purpose to commit suicide, and Nick was telling, when you lack purpose and strength, you should not commit suicide. And Nick was telling, it is hard to hold on. It means it is difficult to live. He said, he means here Nick Vujicic. But who is telling these words? Who is telling this information? His friend, Nick's friend from Los Angeles, Steve Appel. But Nick became an international symbol of triumph over adversity. How could he become? With the help of his religion, his friends, his family members, and he could manage to pull through his life and became an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Means he achieved. How could he achieve his adversity? Adversity means misfortune, unluck. How could he achieve? With his willpower and with his strong desire.